Filter vs.get for single object. Django. I was having a debate on this with some colleagues. Is there a preferred way to retrieve an object in Django when you're expecting only one? The two obvious ways are and. The first method seems behaviorally more correct, but uses exceptions in control flow which may introduce some overhead. The second is more roundabout but won't ever raise an exception. Any thoughts on which of these is preferable? Which is more efficient?
Get is provided specifically for this case. Use it. Option 2 is almost precisely how the get method is actually implemented in Django, so there should be no performance difference, and the fact that you're thinking about it indicates you're violating one of the cardinal rules of programming, namely trying to optimize code before it's even been written and profiled until you have the code and can run it. You don't know how it will perform, and trying to optimize before then is a path of pain.
You can install a module called Django Annoying and then do this.
One is correct. In Python, an exception has equal overhead to a return. For a simplified proof, you can look at this. 2. This is what Django is doing in the backend. Get calls filter and raises an exception if no item is found or if more than one object is found.
I'm a bit late to the party, but with Django 1.6 there is the first method on query sets. This URL returns the first object matched by the query set, or none if there is no matching object. If the query set has no ordering defined, then the query set is automatically ordered by the primary key. Example.
Why do all that work? Replace 4 lines with one built-in shortcut. This does its own try/except.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.